What are you staring at the camera for? Huh? Hiya! Hiya! Oh, now you're gonna be all smiles. Hiya! Hiya! Nothing?
What's that like? I know you like right.
That much? It's funny. It's like I think he's waiting for the flash because he's so used to it. Sitting his bumbo.
Poor baby don't have no beer.
I have a feeling we're gonna see spit up very soon. It's funny how he's just watching the camera. I think it's hilarious. When you're passing. Oh, sorry. You want it?
I don't think he does. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You see how looking at me?
The camera's not doing anything to you.
You just like the attention.
You just pick me up. Oh. We should probably turn the camera away just in case.
Shield your eyes, she won't. Get me out of here.
Where'd you pass it? What'd you do with it? Ooh, hiccup. You want it?
He was drunk.
No. Did we spike your bottle, buddy? Did we spike your bottle? What did the camera do wrong to you, huh?
He said it always flashes in my feet.
He's like, I'm not completely sure where to look. Jacob, you have issues. Yeah, huh? I call it his monkey face.